Procyon, also called the Little Dog Star, is a binary star system in Canis Minor constellation, the Lesser Dog in the Northern Hemisphere. Procyon belongs to the 10 brightest stars in the Earth's sky. The system is made up of Procyon A, a main sequence star, and Procyon B, a much smaller white dwarf. Practically, Procyon is in the Solar System's backyard, reason why the star appears so bright from Earth. At less than 12 light-years away, making it the 8th brightest star in Earth's night sky, Procyon's apparent magnitude is 0.38. And it can be found in the location 7 hours 39 minutes 18.1 seconds of right ascension and positive 5 degrees 13 minutes 30 seconds of declination. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.